episode 0 of Living the Dream, season 2. This is what I call an introductory session. For those who know me, I have been conducting Living the Dream season 1 on my Instagram, which was a podcast about travel bloggers, lifestyle influencers, and mountaineers about going against the odds to chase the dreams. This time, I'm coming back with a new series of episodes about my preparation strategy for CEED for NID. This is called the Design Edition, the IIT Dream, the NID Dream. This series of videos, we're going to focus on multiple strategies, tips and tricks to crack the CEED and the NID exam. I'm going to be sharing my personal journey, my personal experience, my personal mistakes, my learnings, and most importantly, focusing on my jugaad, because I come from a non-design background, and this is specifically for those people who have no experience in sketching, who don't know what design is about, and have zero projects in your portfolio. We'll cover everything from how to ace part A, breaking myths about part B, how important really is sketching in part B, does maths really play a crucial role in part A, what was my personal strategy of attempting the paper, what are the questions that I attempted, what are the questions that I left, what were the things that helped me absorb that pressure in those 3 crucial hours. I'm also going to be creating a few motivational videos, a few videos on how you can become a better designer, how you can change your mindset as a designer, because these are things that I've kind of absorbed from my seniors, my faculty, my mentors, and kind of understood it's not just what you study that will help you crack the exam. It's who you are, what you become, that's going to help you. Also, I'm going to be conducting live sessions on Instagram because I know you guys have a lot of doubts. As soon as I cracked the exam, I put it on LinkedIn, I put it on Instagram, I was flooded with messages about how does this work. There were a lot of specific questions about a lot of specific topics, so I think we'll take those with time. I'm going to be conducting live sessions every week. I'll try to conduct live sessions every week, and I'll put a new video every Sunday at 9 o'clock. Furthermore, after the exam, I think that's where the real game starts. That is the portfolio preparation. I believe that exam is just 20% of the entire process of getting into IIT and NID. So I'm going to be sharing my personal portfolio. I'm going to be sharing how I developed that portfolio, what are the softwares that I use, what are the things that I actually focused on in my portfolio depending on which IIT or which NID I was applying to. Also, I'll try and get as many friends and as many acquaintances as possible on this particular channel. I will speak to them, conduct an interview and a podcast, and I'll share those with you. You can understand how they cracked the exam, what was their own personal strategy, what was their thought process. And I'll also share a few dive links which have a lot of study material, a lot of content for GK, for maths, for logical reasoning, visual ability, things that's going to help you actually understand what kind of questions come in the exam. And I'm going to be sharing these with you in entirety. This channel is going to be all about getting into IIT and NID. That is it. The IIT dream, the NID dream, the design dream in totality. Sach batao yaar, this is only for you guys. I have struggled a lot in the last 1 year, and I don't want you guys to go through what I have gone through. Coming from a non-design background, it's difficult to kind of adapt to what are the questions, what are the thought process behind the questions, why are these questions being asked, and it's very difficult to kind of adapt to the entire environment where you see a lot of people sketching like they're artists or Picasso or something, and it's very difficult to cope up to that. So yeah, this is only for you guys. Ek choti si koshish hai ye, because I feel even if one person out of everybody watching this gets into an IIT because of few tips that I have shared, it's going to be victory for me. Mere liye jeet hogi wo. So thank you so much guys for watching this patiently, and stay tuned for a lot of more videos because I love doing this.